guys, today's video is going to be a little bit different. I wanted to just sit down and chat with you, kind of like a one-on-one. I'm going to be doing a bunch of questions. I'm outside, I've got my drink. Let me take my sunglasses off, even though it's a little bit bright out here. Behind the camera, you guys can't see, but my friend Morgan just popped behind it. You guys have seen Morgan probably in my New York vlog. So Morgan's going to be asking me a bunch of questions that you guys have been sending in. I put out a thing this morning.
Yep, so she'll be surprised.
Let's get in to the questions.
Marie asks, if the world was ending tomorrow, what would you do?
Oh my God, I would eat everything. People who know me know this about me. I am an eater. I'm weird though, because like I'll go the whole day without eating sometimes, but then when I eat very large quantities, and I love food, and I love rice, and I love Egyptian food, and I love pasta, and I love pizza. So if the world was ending tomorrow, I would just eat my face off and then probably get super full, and then I would wait like an hour and then I would eat more. That's what I would do.
Danny asks, is LA pretty competitive to get a job, or is it friendly and supportive?
I don't know if I would say it's friendly and supportive. It's definitely competitive, but I think so much of it is your attitude. When I first moved to LA, I am the least competitive person you'll ever meet. I'm just not. It's not in my nature. So for me, it was really hard because when I came here, people were like super competitive with me and I didn't understand it. It made me so upset because I took it so personally. I realized that I can't take it personally and I just need to not care. So I had to just stop caring about all these people's opinions. That's when things got better, and now I'm fine. Now I can go to events, and if girls are being rude or if girls are pretending like they don't know who I am, I can just brush it off my shoulders. Whereas before I'd be like, how come nobody likes me? Now I'm just like, I don't care. If you don't like me, I don't care. I think so much of it is just your attitude and how you choose to react to it. It is competitive, but anywhere where there's like a thriving market, and there's a very big market here in LA, it's going to be competitive no matter what.
Kelly V asks, are you open to get into a new relationship?
I'm definitely open to get into a new relationship. I've actually been seeing someone. Right now, I'm very focused on myself and focused on my work and focused on my friends and focused on just like enjoying life. And I'm so grateful for everything that I have. But I'm definitely open to meeting new people.
Akis_secrets asks, can you speak Arabic, please?
Okay, I do speak Arabic, but guys, my Arabic is so, how do I say this? White girl Arabic, even though I'm not white. My accent is so bad now because I just don't use it that often. I'll say a little something. It's so embarrassing. I don't know why. Behibbik habibi. It means I love you, baby. I understand 100%. I just get like super shy when I speak it now because I know that I sound really bad and I know that my pronunciation is like super off. I really hope to go to Egypt sooner than later. Hopefully, maybe this year. Maybe this year. It might happen.
Insta Chally asks, how are things going since the breakup?
It's been a process. It's been a very long process. And I think sometimes it depends on which day you ask me, honestly. Some days I'm doing great. Other days I'm like not doing great. But the one thing I will say, at one point, I knew that I really needed to just take time off and take time to myself. And it was the first time in years that I've ever done that. And it was the best thing ever because I was able to just really focus my energy on what's important. By the time I got back to work, I felt so much better. I'm just super grateful and lucky because I do have a lot of amazing opportunities when it comes to work right now, and so many exciting things that are coming up this year. And I didn't want some stupid situation with a guy to ruin everything else that I have going on. I was just not gonna let that happen. So I cried, I dealt with it, blah, 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 blah. But at some point I was like, I need to pull myself out of this and I need to get back on track. And kind of when I made that decision, things have been better. I know it sounds cheesy, but I'm just like really grateful for everything that I have. I want to look back at the end of this year and not think that this year was a waste because of that situation, I want to look back and feel like, you know what? Everything happens for a reason, and at the end of the day, that was the best thing that could have happened because I'm in such a better place.
Okay, Wessel.A asks, what is your zodiac sign?
Ooh, I love that question. I am a true Pisces. I am a Pisces to my core. Every characteristic of a Pisces I have. I'm super emotional. I'm always in my feelings. I'm very compassionate. I'm very musical. My birthday is March 7th.
Jasmine Lenardi asks, you do when you reach 1 million subscribers?
When that happens, you guys, it's been a few years in the making, but it's gonna be so sweet, and I'm gonna go all out. I'm gonna do a huge party, probably gonna vlog it. Make sure you follow me on Instagram because I'm gonna post like crazy about it, and a massive ginormous giveaway. It's just gonna be a huge celebration. All of you OG subscribers, the people that have been around since day one, you guys know that it's taken me a lot of work to get here. My channel's never been the type of channel that does the trending videos, the videos that go viral. That's not my channel. My channel's like just true beauty videos. I didn't necessarily play the YouTube game, but I always kind of stuck to who I was. So once we hit that million, it's gonna feel so sweet, and I can't wait. Those were so many amazing questions. Thank you so much, you guys. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you're new to my channel, make sure you add me on Instagram at Eman, and I will see you guys in another video very soon. Mwah! Terrible answer, terrible. So if you guys know any single eligible men that you want to hook me up with, just tag them below. I wish you guys could see Morgan's face. She's reacting to everything I'm saying right now. Cheers.